If your air conditioning develops a fault, the wired controller shows it on the screen, right where the temperature normally is. If there is more than one fault at a time, the codes come up one after another, on a loop. Here they all are, exactly as the manufacturer's manual lists them. This is so you know what your unit is telling you. There is nothing to touch. With the code in front of us, call and we already know where to start before we leave. This video covers the 31 codes for the VRF status codes. Each code has its own timestamp, so you can jump straight to yours. Code A0. According to the manufacturer, unit is waiting for debugging. Code A1. According to the manufacturer, check the compressor operation parameters. Code A2. According to the manufacturer, after-sales refrigerant reclaim. Code A3. According to the manufacturer, defrosting. Code A4. According to the manufacturer, oil return. Code A5. According to the manufacturer, online testing. Code A8. According to the manufacturer, vacuum pumping mode. Code A9. According to the manufacturer, operate in setback function. Code AB. According to the manufacturer, emergency stop. Code AC. According to the manufacturer, cooling. Code AD. According to the manufacturer, operation restriction. Code AF. According to the manufacturer, fan. Code AH. According to the manufacturer, heating. Code AJ. According to the manufacturer, filter clean reminder. Code AN. According to the manufacturer, lock status. Code AU. According to the manufacturer, remote urgent stop. Code AY. According to the manufacturer, shielding status. Code N3. According to the manufacturer, compulsory defrosting. Code Q5. According to the manufacturer, setting of ordinary units and high sensible heat units. Code Q7. According to the manufacturer, select degree Celsius or Fahrenheit. Code Q8. According to the manufacturer, discharge low temperature protection revision value B. Code Q9. According to the manufacturer, setting of defrosting mode. Code QB. According to the manufacturer, anti-condensation temperature setting. Code QD. According to the manufacturer, setting of target degree of supercooling of ODU. Code QE. According to the manufacturer, EVI operating mode. Code QF. According to the manufacturer, system compulsory cooling mode. Code QL. According to the manufacturer, setting of static pressure. Code QN. According to the manufacturer, PV grid connected settings. Code QP. According to the manufacturer, PV GMV unit export area setting. Code QU. According to the manufacturer, grid voltage system configuration. Code QY. According to the manufacturer, working mode of compressor heating belt. And that is all of them. If one of these has come up, you now know what it means. What to do now is switch the unit off and call. Don't leave it running with a warning on the screen. Many of these are protections, and if the unit keeps working under strain, a small fault can turn into a big one. We are Joaquin and Juan, installers in Mallorca since 1998. Heat pumps and underfloor heating, air conditioning, electrical work, plumbing and water treatment. And what we don't do, so there are no surprises, we don't do emergency call-outs. We work by appointment, because we would rather take our time and do the job properly. If your system hasn't been serviced in a while, now is a good time. An annual service prevents most of these warnings. Call us on +34 609 09 8902 or 656 82 7925. Write to info@jslorca.com. Quotes are free and with no obligation.